Hi, this is Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the Forex forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexbsami.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well guys, as you can see, this is the thankless job to predict I'm trying to anticipate the price action and such kind of the choppy behavior of the price on the euro currency in the current moment. And that's why, as I said, I do not like to trade the patterns and in general any such sort of the consolidations on the market. Only yesterday we said that probably this will have some kind of the bearish stop grabber. Market also has failed here and was not able to continue move high and take out of these highs and trigger the stop grabber to the upside. We said, well, that could probably lead to some sort of the diamond patterns. Here we see the widening top. Market could proceed slightly lower. That could be the lower border of this potential diamond. But yesterday that was absolutely quite another price action. So market has pushed up from this long-term support line, okay, erased this pattern, move above the weekly pivot point, and even has moved above this our bullish stop grabber pattern. In general, that makes me think that maybe some sort of the bearish wedge, the rising wedge, is forming here, right at the resistance. So you can see this is upper border, this could be lower border. We have 1, 2, 3, now the fourth swing of this wedge stand. And the fifth swing should be theoretically, at least theoretically, to the downside. Well, but as I said again, it's very poor business to try to forecast the long-term perspective right now. What we could do in the short-term perspective? Well, on the daily time frame, what we see, first of all, trend has turned bullish again. Also, while trend holds bearish, we see that market is forming higher lows. Maybe this is some sort of the bullish dynamic pressure. It's a bit has not quite common view shape, but maybe this is it, because as market has trend shift bearish, the price action continue to be upward sloped. As you can see, these high lows have been created by the price action. Maybe this could lead to some further upward action in the nearest term. Well, if this is indeed the bearish wedge, then market could reach as far as approximately 133 area. It will continue with the same pace to the upside and form another swing up right to this upper border. Well, maybe this will happen. On the 4-hour time frame, in fact, it's a bit complicated current pictures. You can see a lot of lines, but I just don't want to save the time. Well, that's the long-term trend. As you can see, that's the level, by the way, that we have discussed. That was really strong support here, trend line, confidence support on the 4-hour time frame, and monthly pivot point. Now market stands not only above the monthly pivot point, but also above the weekly pivot point. Yesterday I have told already about this potential harmonic pattern. That could be the bottom line. So if this will be the left wing, market right now could show the retracement maybe till this support line, and if it will turn to the upside, that could lead to the upward action approximately to the target to the upper border of this bearish wedge. That's around 133 area, as well as this potential A, B, C bottom pattern. Also, target stands right around 133, 133.30 area. That is also monthly pivot resistance one. So if market currently indeed the bullish and it will continue move higher, then probably this is the level to watch for the potential destination. Well, but as I said, I do not like to trade such environment. So I prefer to stick with the clear patterns, especially if they form after some significant moves. That's much safer and clearer to understand what is going on. When the market stands with this, you could just take a look at this. So that's absolutely choppy price action, especially in the most recent couple of weeks. But it's very difficult to make the reasonable decisions and control the risk in current environment. Only if you trade, for example, on the 15-minute chart or the 5-minute chart, you could get some patterns to stick with. Well, that's why probably it will be safer, and that will be our major moments to watch for. If market will break this trend line and take out of these lows, will show the move down, that will be our moment when we will start to think about short entry. I'm speaking now about our current view and current researches, not on the, say, potential trades right now from the perspective of Forex Pisami. I mean, I'm not trying to vanish and erase this potential for the butterfly that could be traded, and I do not want to say that that is the poor setup will be, but I just talk about the crucial moments, the triggering points currently on the euro. And the truth is that the downside triggering point will be that low. So if market will break this, move to the downside, move below the monthly pivot point, break this trend line and move below this low, that will be our major condition to search for the possibility to enter short. While to the upside situation is a bit more difficult, because if even market will take out of these highs, okay, we will be too close to the target. This distance will be very small to trade it on the daily time frame. That's why I don't know how what we will do if market will take out of these highs. We need to see what will happen later, especially how market will behave around monthly pivot resistance 1 and this target of this potential butterfly pattern and ABCD pattern. So that probably could lead to the reversal, since don't forget that we have head and shoulders pattern on the weekly time frame. And if market will move to 50 pips higher than this stuff, that will not mean from the weekly perspective the failure of this pattern. That still will be somewhere around the right shoulder. And in fact, since this will be potentially the reversal pattern, I mean butterfly, that could trigger the downward action. From that perspective, the trading on the long side is a bit more difficult and not as safe as trading on the short side of the market, and if market will break to this low. So that's personally my current view. I do not know will I trade this butterfly or not, because in general overall environment on the euro currency, I don't like it very much. I'm not fascinated with it, and I prefer to see the breakout from the consolidation to make the decision about the future direction on the market. But if you would like to, you could try to trade this probably from the harmonic point of view. This is absolutely normal setup will be if market will form this butterfly. You could place the stop below this low, okay, because that will be an validation point of this butterfly. If market will move below it and erase it, also that will be the erasing of this ABCD pattern. The target will be, as I said, around 133, maybe 132.90. You could place it slightly lower. So we see the risk-reward ratio will be very nice if market will show a bit deeper retracement. So we could try to use this retracement to enter on the long side of the market, because to enter short right now we do not have any context for that. We do not have any patterns. We have bullish trend as on daily time frame, as on 4-hour time frame. In fact, when we have no reasons to enter short. So one thing that we could do is just to enter long, but taking into consideration of all the difficulties and a bit trickiness of current situation with the bullish patterns. I mean this potential butterfly and ABCD pattern. Since the resistance of these patterns and the target of these patterns are very close to the current price action and potential breakout of these highs. It's very this is under question. Does this pattern worthy of entering long, of trading? That's the major question currently. Well, that's in fact all that I could do currently. As you can see, it's not much to comment, since this price action is really sloppy and doesn't give us any clear setups to trade. So only what I see is just this potential butterfly and ABCD target, ABCD pattern, or from the bearish point of view, the clarity could be given us by the breakout of this low and erasing of all these upward patterns.